All right, this is the 6 trade-a-day challenge update for November 17th. A little bit late getting this on, so I wanted to get it up here as quick as I could. We were kind of occupied yesterday. Let's get right to it. This is a trade challenge where we create a small account that everyone wanted to see. We started with $30,000. We're doing 6 multiple entry iron condors a day, $100.85 on each side, 50 wide wings. We're doing 95% stop loss on the put call credit spread and 95% stop loss on the call credit spread. We're going to use OTO longs on the OTO trades on the longs if you can do that. We've done 6 trades a day since September 1st. You can see we started with 30,000 and we've progressed right along over various weeks. This is pretty much a chart. You can see we have some ups and downs, but it's pretty much steady in one direction. Today's results, we were down $102, so we're up 7,923 since September 1st. That's 26% in 78 days, so 124% rate of return. We will be putting this trade on every single day. You can see the shorts. I'll connect it to the end of this video. There's a short video that tells you exactly what time of day that we've been putting those on so that you can follow along. We will continue to do that for the rest of the week. Then on Sunday, we'll post again what the trades will be for next week. We backtest over 3 million trades every single week. In our large funds, we use about 28 different strategies. But this is one of our top strategies and one we've been using for a long time, one we like. We've tested with AI as well as a lot of back testing and Python files. So if you have any questions, post them below. We don't ask for any payment. We do ask that you tell us what types of videos you'd like to see. And if you'd like to see Rob only or Maria only or Rob and Maria together, my favorite is Rob and Maria together, but we'll let you decide. At any rate, have a great trading day and we'll see you tomorrow.